FANUC welcomed industry experts for 2 days of groundbreaking technology and transformative solutions at the ROBOMACHINE show. We were thrilled to showcase our advanced ROBOMACHINE to the manufacturing community. ROBODRILL, ROBOSHOT, and ROBOCUT took center stage, delivering precision and performance. The event brought together the brightest minds in manufacturing, as industry leaders and experts experienced firsthand the power of FANUC's automation solutions. A big thank you to everyone who made the FANUC ROBOMACHINE show a success. We're excited to continue driving innovation for the manufacturing industry.